Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Google Maps offline on your Android device. In just a few simple steps, you will be able to navigate Google Maps without needing an internet connection. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for this part. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner or the menu button on the top left depending on your app version. From the menu, select Offline Maps. Once you are in the Offline Maps section, tap on Select Your Own Map. You will now see a map on your screen. Use your fingers to zoom in or out and drag the screen to select the area you want to download. Make sure the area fits within the blue box. Once you have selected the area, tap on Download at the bottom of the screen. The app will start downloading the map, so make sure you have enough space on your device. To access your offline maps, just go back to the same Offline Maps section from the menu. Here you will find all the areas you have downloaded. When you are offline, Google Maps will automatically switch to your downloaded areas for navigation. You can search for places, get directions, and use most of the features just as if you were online. A few things to keep in mind. Number 1. Offline maps expire after a while, so remember to update them. Number 2. You won't get real-time traffic information while using offline maps, so plan ahead. Number 3. Make sure to download large areas while connected to Wi-Fi to save data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Happy navigating!